Okay, hi everyone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to do the MyOpenMath, how to make the graph on top look like the graph on bottom. Okay, so I'm going to graph the vertical asymptote. So first, we have vertical asymptote at 1. And again, you can look at the equation up here. That's the equation. I'm just going to copy it to show you the tools I will use to make my graph up here look like the graph down here. Okay, we graph vertical asymptotes over here at -3, and one over here at 3. Okay, so that looks like my answer sheet so far. And then the problem is now I have to graph this little curve on the right side and this little curve on the left side and the one parabola right in the middle, okay? So to do this, I'm actually gonna use this tool right here, right? This is actually exponential, but we're gonna use this to just kind of make our graph look about right. So you can see the little dotted line going around. That is our horizontal asymptote for this graph. So I'm gonna click that on my horizontal asymptote here. Now I'm going to pick a point on the right hand side and I want to make it look like this curve here. So maybe I'll pick here and I'll pick another point. As you can see, if I pick the wrong way, it goes the wrong way, right? I'm going to pick that. Maybe I'll pick a point here, maybe pick a point here, maybe over here. But if you can see me bending the graph to make it get underneath both those asymptotes, the vertical and horizontal, that's kind of what my goal is, right? So I can pick any point. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be kind of in that ballpark. Let's go on the other side. First, we have to first click is the horizontal asymptote first. I'm gonna pick that same point. I want to pick the root I know is going to be a 4 here. Let's pick that point here. And then I'm going to make this look as much as I can with squeezing to the line. If you can see here, that goes past the vertical asymptote. So I'm going to pick a point. I'm going to try to squeeze it by moving it down. And any of these would be pretty darn good. I'll take that. Now the parabola in the middle is going to be a little tougher to get to. But let's go ahead and try and make it look as flat as possible. I'm going to click on a point on top. It doesn't have to be perfect again. I want to pick a point, something like that. Okay, and that looks good to me. I just want to make sure I'm within those asymptotes. Okay. That's good for me.